How do you add or replace memory in your Asus Vivo PC? Let's talk about it. So the Asus Vivo PC is a really old computer I just found laying around. So I'm going to show you how to replace the RAM, add memory, and everything like that. This is my first video, so bear with me. They are both DDR3, 8 gigs of RAM each, so this is 16 combined. We're going to be replacing the normal one that it comes with in here. So let's get right into it. Okay, so you have your computer, and you're going to want to locate this little switch on the back where all your ports are. You're going to want to flip this switch down just like that. And then you're going to want to take the cover right here, and you're going to want to actually push it away. So the logo's here, you're going to want to push it out. Take your lid off right here, and then you have your hard drive. This is a huge hard drive. Looks complicated. All you have to do, take it like this, and push it out just like that, and then lift up through the little notches. So you have taken out your hard drive, and then underneath your hard drive, you have your motherboard. So right here, there's this little space to access the motherboard. So we're just gonna unscrew this right here, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath. So take whatever size screwdriver you have. I have this little one I found somewhere. So you're gonna want to take the screwdriver right here and unscrew this right here. Once that is unscrewed, you can pop the lid open. It might take a little bit of force, but it will pop off just like that. Right after that, you have your RAM sticks right here. So this is the original one it comes with. I'm going to be replacing it with these two right here. This is 16 gigs. I believe the one in here is either 4 or 8. I'm not sure. But we're going to pop it out. So all you have to do to take it out is you just pop these right here, these side things, and then pull it out just like so. And it should come right out just like that. And then we're gonna put these RAM sticks right on in here just like this. So we're gonna have one going right here. So there's two slots, there's one here and one here. You're gonna wanna slide your first stick into the slot in the correct orientation. So you'll see a little slit right here. Let me show you this. You'll see a little slit right here, which will line up with the slit inside of here. So you just line that up. And then once you line that up, you're gonna get it right here just like this. And then just gonna push a little bit, and it should click into both these slots on either side of the computer. So now you're gonna wanna put in your second RAM stick the same way you did the first one. In the correct orientation, push down, and there you go. Now you have successfully installed your new RAM sticks. Put your lid back on just like so. Just put it like that, and then you're gonna push down a little bit, just like that. It'll make a click sound, and then once it makes that click, that's how you know it is secure. Then you're gonna want to tighten this screw right back up here, and then once that is tight, you are set. You can add your hard drive back into your computer, just like this. Make sure it's the correct way. So you have the slits of the hard drive right here going into the slot right here. Put that right there, and then push to clamp it in. Take your lid, your top here, and put it on right there, and then push it, and then re-engage your switch just like that to lock it on. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change the RAM, replace the RAM, whatever you want on the Asus Vivo PC. I'm going to be doing other RAM replacements with other computers, so stay tuned. One more thing I want to mention is that you can use little computers like this to run servers of different games. So if you want to run your own Minecraft server, or I know there's other games that do servers, that you can make your own server and have your friends or whoever connect around the world into this computer. So let me know if you want a video on that, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.